Hello, 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 my art chit chat people. How are you today? I am well. I am doing really well. I'd like to do today, I think I'm going to challenge myself to, I want to do some nature journaling of some species that I saw when I was at the Sunken Gardens. So let's get started, huh? Find a page. I have the page somewhere. I think this is it. Here we go. Sunken Gardens. I got a membership. I can't wait to go back. I can go back as many times as I want. I believe we did do the whole thing. I'm pretty sure, but I'm gonna go back again. This time I want to stay and just do some nature journaling there. I'd like to video myself doing some nature journaling while I'm there. But what I would like to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to tape it right here, and I'll do the Sunken Garden stuff here. Let's see. Let's do, what am I going to use? I think I'll use the 3. But let's go ahead, and I'm kind of squished in here. Let me move some stuff out of the way. How about, what I'd like to do is, let's type in where we were. Sunken Gardens. Type. Right. Sunken Gardens. With Catherine. And we'll put St. Pete, Florida. And when did we go? We were there on Friday. So it was 3/15/24. And I just want to do, let's do it like this. I don't need that. Oops. Let's do that like that. It was hot. It was sunny and hot. It was 80 degrees. It was hot. Let me tell you. But it was nice. It was really nice. I'm going to do 3. My first one that I want to do is the Bohemia. Let's see. And I'm going to challenge myself with these photos. Let's just start with, let's go. Oh. I've got all the windows and doors shut because it's very, very breezy out. And when I didn't, doors were slamming shut. Ooh, this is kind of big that I made it, but so let's get these little, are they stamens? There's quite a few. I want to get them in there before I start putting some more petals in this one. I was planning on using my Derwent Graphitint pans and pencils, but these flowers that I chose are very vibrant, and the graphitints are, they're graphite, and they are not vibrant enough, I believe, for these flowers that these species. Are they all flowers? Let's see. Pretty much, yeah, pretty much flowers. So, yeah, let's just do one leaf. They're kind of like, this will be the leaf. There we go. And this is called Ohuhu. L-A-K-E-A-N-A. 5-petal flower. Five-petal flower. This is the floral emblem of Hong Kong. Hong Kong. We're allowed to make mistakes here. It's an orchid tree. Tree flower. Trees usually reach a height of 20 feet or more. And let's do this like so. And let's get some nice, let's see, how do I want to do this? Let's get, this is the color. Oh yes, it is just so, oh yes, so vibrant, so very vibrant. So I always drove past the Sunken Gardens. I heard about the Sunken Gardens, and I thought, you know, when Catherine's here, something different, because it is kind of, when she was here, yes, it was actually, it was, what do they call it, spring break. So a lot of places have been really, really busy. Even our little Gulfport, you know, it's always, there's never any parking. So I thought I'd do something a little different, but something that we love, of course, because we always went hiking and stuff like that. We love nature. I thought she would love this. It would be perfect. Let's make this real. I don't want to, and I don't want to like fill everything in. I like it like this, and then and it actually was one of the best ideas, because I wanted to get my membership, and when they have things going on at the Sunken Gardens, like if they have like a flamingo fest they had a couple weeks ago, things like that, when they have things going on, I want this really light, you're not allowed to get a membership. So I figured this would be the perfect time to grab, because I was going to drive there and grab a membership, and then I thought, you know what, I'll do that when Catherine gets here. So, oh, that's the leaf. And we still had to wait in line to get in, but because the place is, I guess it is popular. It's right in the middle of St. Pete too, right, you know, across the street from Panera. You'd never know that this botanical garden was there. And I want to get the brightness. I mean, this is bright, really bright. And it was hot, but it was really worth it. It was so pretty. If you ever are in the area, something different, go to the Sunken Gardens, I'm telling you. See, this is kind of curled over here on the ends. it really was really cool. I can't wait to go back. I'm gonna pack lunch, bring some water. Gift shop had some really cool stuff too, but I didn't really want to buy anything yet. Just wanted to look, see what they had. Now that I know, there might be a few things I might want to get, but I have to be careful now. And I'm glad this apartment is so tiny that I can't buy stuff. Because believe me, but they had these glasses that were kind of nice. I really liked. I might get those. I might get those. So yeah, yeah, I don't like, when I'm doing my nature journaling, I don't really like to color everything in. Just want to give an idea of what it was. So let's get, let's see, it was more of a yellowy, yeah, there we go, more of a yellowy green, and just a hint, just a hint, oh, just a hint there. Oh, there we go. Ooh, just a hint. Ooh, and then right across the street was now the leaf was a lot darker. Let's make it darker. The leaf was a little darker. Right across the street was how can we do this? Let's just do, is it yellow? Yeah, real light. Yeah, that's what I want. Real light. And we're gonna have to let this dry. Let's let that dry. So, across the street was, we were so hot and we wanted something. So we went and got a sweet at Panera across the street. Right across, I've been to that Panera before too. Oh, this is kind of dark. No, I think that's kind of perfect. That's kind of perfect. Is this dry yet? We need that dry. Let's dry it real fast. Alrighty. Let me see, because you know how I love to do leaves, but I always mess them up somehow. This has... Let's see if we can do this. I think I might have it. I don't know. I gotta practice my leaves. I gotta practice. I might have to do this in a couple layers. Here we go. There we go. There we go, maybe. A little bit. Oh, I'm just so bad with leaves. But I'm trying. Do I go to the end? I don't know. How do they look on there? So hard, but the more you do, the better you get. So I have to keep practicing, and I want you guys to see. Maybe you'll watch this video and then you'll see another video. That's not too bad. I think this was a leaf. Just get that in there. So we'll just do, yeah. Let's see, a little darker, a little darker. Oh, I have all these greens over here. Let's try this one. It's a little shading, a little bit more. I'm spending too much time on this leaf. All right. We'll go in with a Micron and just fix it up a little. That's not too bad. Not too bad, I guess. Let it go, Sen, let it go. Let it go. All right, let's just, I'll fix it with the Micron a little bit once it dries. So that's the Bauhinia, the 5-petal, the Bauhinia. I don't think it had another name. Blackinia, 5-petal flower. It is the floral emblem of Hong Kong. All right, what else were we gonna do? We were going to do, this is pretty basic, but I like it. Pretty basic. It's kind of like, well, first we have to do the thing. The thing is called a spathe. So we do the thing, and then it's kind of heart-shaped. This is also another very vibrant color. Very vibrant. Very vibrant. And it also has a heart-shaped leaf. Oh my God, I do not want to do another leaf. Let's just, you know what we'll do? I know what we'll do. We'll just do this. And this is a vibrant lipstick orange kind of red. And we're going to have to make that color. Let's do, well, we could use this pink maybe. Take some orange. A little red. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. That is perfect. This is like a, oh yeah, perfect color. Perfect color. And maybe we'll do that, because it's kind of shiny. It's really shiny. Maybe we'll do some highlights with a white. Maybe a little bit more red. With some highlights with a white Posca. This sketchbook is not, it's just a mixed media paper. It is not watercolor paper, so I gotta be careful here. That's why I wanted to get the Inktense. Here we go. I am on day 81. So I was wrong. I think I was wrong with in my other video, but I am on day 81 of my no-buy art supply, and I think I'm gonna break it soon. Hey, I made it 3 months, right? So I really want the Inktense, because I think the Inktense, because it's not watercolor, it's ink. and I think it'll be great for nature journaling. So here's the reason. And this is how I get influenced by other artists. So I've been nature journaling since day one of when I started doing my art. I found the sketchbook. What was it called? Sketchbook. Oh. During the sketchbook, what was it called? Sketchbooks. I always forget. I'll put it in here on the titles. Sketchbook Revival or something like that. During Sketchbook Revival, I learned about nature journaling. And then the nature journaling free conference or week, free nature journaling week was, that was in March, the Sketchbook Revival. And then the nature journaling free week was, June. It's always the first week of June. It's always free. You go on the Nature Journal Facebook page. They always talk about it and stuff. It's so cool. So I've always been nature journaling and doing art since day one of my retirement. And I forgot why I was telling you this. So they bring in a lot of teachers and stuff like that. So one of the teachers was Alex Boone. And he is phenomenal. And I followed him for a little bit, but I don't know what happened. I either stopped following him or the algorithms and things like that. So I was like, I saw he was showing a video on YouTube of 4 years of his art journal. And you have to look at this video. I think it says 4 years of art journal, 4 years perpetual art journal. Find that video. His artwork is absolutely phenomenal, and he is doing, I just asked him in the comments, and he just replied that it's not, I said, is it all Inktense paints? And he said 50-50. But now most of the time he uses Inktense paints and pencils. So, yeah. That's what got me started, because his artwork is just phenomenal, and I want to do that. And the colors, I mean, these are good too. I'm using my Jane Davenport's paints, and these are really, really good, but I want to try the Inktense because these are watercolors. So, as they dry as watercolors. I want to see how they will be, the Inktense will be, need a larger brush real quick. Will be on the Nature Journal, because you know what? You see this book that I have? I'm not even halfway through, and I started in 2021. I can't remember. When was my first one? June 10th, 2020. I think that's wrong. I just noticed. Yeah, 2021. Boy, I just noticed. But anyways, 2021. I have like 10 more of these. So I need to start filling them up. You know what? I also got this. I got this from Artist Life. And these are Ocean and Forest. But I think Artist Life, they get it from somewhere else. You can probably get this on Temu now. Look for the Ocean and Forest for much cheaper than what I paid. I paid a lot, and it's not. They really jacked up the price. So what I want to do is, I'm not doing another leaf because I'm not good at them. I need to practice more, but I don't want to practice in front of you guys. So I'll just do. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't write in what this is yet. I gotta do that. So let's just do that. And just fade that out. Yep. Just fade it out. See how it's very watercolory. I want to see how it will be with Inktense because it's ink. Derwent is really cool. I am a Derwent girl, absolutely. I've got the XL blocks, I got the Graphitints, I got the chalk. I've got the pencils. I am a Derwent girl. I probably have other things too that I'm just forgetting about, but yeah. And you know darn well if I'm talking about it, I'm going to get the Derwent Intenses. You know I am. This is, did I even say what this was? This is a flamingo lily. I don't want to get that yellow. Flamingo lily. Oh, and at the end of this video, I will post videos of the flamingos at the Sunken Garden. Oh, they were so adorable. So adorable. And this is Anthurium. Anthurium. A-N-D-R-A-E. All right, and right out here now. Furs. Humid climates. And that is a, okay, this is the spathe. Oh! No, it's not the spathe. This is the spathe. That is, darn it. That is Spadix. Let's see if we can just, very good, Sin. We're allowed to make mistakes. There we go. That is a spathe, and this is called Spadix. Okay, prefers, all right, let's finish. Shady and humid climates. Brightly colored. Spathe. And protruding inflorescence. This is called an inflorescence. It's a thing that sticks up. Called Spadix. Alright, not bad, not bad. Got out of doing a leaf. Oh, I wish I could open the windows because it is hot. Okay, so we got 2 down, not bad. This is warmer now. Let's just want to fix it up. Because you know what? You know what my motto is now? My new motto? Microns fix everything. Little Dutcherelli. Oh, I gotta put some Dutcherellis. Ooh, Dutcherelli on a Spadix. Microns fix everything. Oops. Microns. Fix everything. Oh my God, it is getting warm. I should turn, I do have a fan. I should turn that on. Dacharella. So let's see, let's make this a little clearer for the names. Flamingo, Lily. Let's just make those a little darker. Yeah, it looks like I'm not very consistent here, but that's mean. There we are. So far, so good. All right, next. Let me go turn that fan on. All right, the next, let me just do a little bit more shading in here, just a little. Because microns fix everything. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. All right, next. I laughed when I looked this up. Oh, there was another thing. So when we were at the Sunken Gardens, I showed Catherine how, and I'll do screenshots of this at the end of this video of how you can do this. You know, when you take a picture on your iPhone, I don't know if it works on, it probably works on other phones different ways, but on your iPhone, when you go to look at the picture, you'll see that little eye. Looks like this. It's a little icon. And then, actually it looks like this. With a circle. Press that information icon and it'll pop up and it'll tell you the name of the plant, or it might say look up plant. Just hit that and it'll take you to what kind of plant it is. So you don't even need apps anymore. Because Apple does everything for you. It does, I mean, it also does that for animals, trees. Apple does everything for you. I'm sure it'll find you a husband in 4 or 5 years from now, or wife. So yeah, not looking. Anyways, the next one is, all right, I don't want to make this too big. Let's see, it's just because I want to get two more things in. So, and I don't know how long this has been going. I won't make it too big. I thought this was funny, but interesting. It is not the corpse plant. No. It is called, I swear to God, its name is called the hairy banana. Yes. You know, most of these things are very phallic, if you think about it. Phallic or suggestive. I think all plants, all flowers are pretty suggestive, don't you think? And this is so weird because the stem is really, it's got these weird thingies on them. Yeah, really interesting. It was very interesting. And I don't want to do a lot. I was going to do a bunch of pictures at the end, but I want to save those pictures because I want to go back and do those for my nature journals. But I will do the flamingo, maybe a couple pictures. And then, yeah, this was very interesting. And then at the bottom it had all these weird things. You know what, I should have looked these up more, but I think these are just, oh, these are the bananas. These are the bananas. And the colors. Just so interesting, so interesting. And then their leaf. Yes, I'll put the leaf in. So nice. You know, you've seen banana leaves before. They're huge. Banana leaves. My mom is from the Philippines. She was raised in a grass hut in the Philippines. She told me about eating off banana leaves. When we went to California, I was 7 years old. She brought home a banana plant. She had that banana plant for years. It never grew really high. She kept it in the house and never did, you know, of course, never had bananas or anything like that. But that was her thing. Mom's banana plant. God, I wonder where it is. Whatever happened to that thing. But, yeah, plus we moved a lot. Maybe that's why I used to move a lot, because my mom used to move a lot. So this is very, this color, this was very, let's see, very fluorescent. But the plant itself, it was more pinky. So let me make some pink. Let me make us some pink. Yeah, it was more pinky. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Plant part was pinky. And then let me get it even tinier. Yes, I do have even tinier. My nature journal, they're my teeny tinies. Let's get that. Let's see if we can get that. Yep, that's how it was, just like that. Yeah, we had a blast at this place. You can have weddings there. They had fake turf for the weddings, and they had yoga, which I'm sure they have on the fake turf, which would make it much easier. But oh yeah, and then then it got to be like this magenta color. Magenta. Really cool. Just a little darker. Yep, that's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, it's just so cool to be living in Florida with all these tropical plants. I love flowers. I don't care what anybody says. I love flowers. I tried to have some flowers on my patio. My bougainvillea are doing good, and then I got something else. I forget what it was called, but they're doing okay. It's a couple other plants. My desert rose I had inside the house. I don't know. It didn't do well, so I'll just put this down, and then I'll make it darker on the sides once this. Yeah, that's what I'll do is I'll paint these, and then I'll do another layer of darker. But oh my god, this thing was so adorable. So funny. Hairy banana. You know what else? I love bananas. I haven't had bananas in a long time. You know what I'm saying? Fruit. I'm talking about the fruit. Yeah, I haven't had that other banana in a long time either, so. It's not killing me. Not killing me. Girl has had enough bananas in her lifetime to last. Last a long time. Oh god, I kill myself sometimes, don't I? Oh, this is turning out really kind of nice. A little bit more dark. You know what it is? It's these teeny tiny brushes. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I can't wait to get the new ink silly circle. Let's see, just yeah. little bit, just a little bit of the pink. Do a little pink there. Now these things were kind of like a weird green. Or yeah, like maybe a touch of this. Yeah, just a touch of that. Just a touch. Yeah. I'm gonna do that banana leaf. I'm not gonna do a lot. It's just gonna be a typical banana. Typical banana leaf. Yeah, that's right. That's better. That's cool. That looks good. Banana leaf. Here we go. This one's for you, Mom. Wherever you are. I know you're in heaven. She prayed enough to get to heaven. She's got it. She better be there. She better be there. I know she is. I know she is. I miss you, Mom. I really do. I really wish you were here. I would love to show you frickin' dollar stores. You would have frickin' loved them. She would have been in her glory. That's nice. That looks good. Let me do just a tiny bit darker. Where's that dark? Can I do a little bit darker right around the edges? Just a touch. Just a touch. All right, I don't know how long this has been going, but hey, it's a chit chat. Chit chat with me on the comments, please. Would love it if you would. And then what I'll do is very lightly just take clear water and pull that over, or smush it over, smush it over. Smush it over, smush it over, smush, smush. Very lightly. Yep. Alright, Sin, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Just can't let it go. Hey, I'm learning anyways, right? Do this little bit. You like my sounds? There we go. That's not. Ooh, I don't know if I like that. Ooh, I don't know if I like that. A little darker. A little darker. A little dark. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna let that go. Let it go. We didn't even write anything yet. We still have one more to go. So this is the hairy banana plant. Let's do hairy banana plant. There we go. Try to be consistent. Musa. Oh, is that a U? Oh, I hope that's a U. If not, we'll make it an O. Latina. It is a species of seeded banana. from Assam and the Eastern Himalayas, India, and Southeast Asia. Edible. Included in Eastern dishes. Okay, that was the Harabanine. Harabanine. Now this other one I think I've seen also. It looks a lot like the trumpet vine, but it's not. It is fountain bush. And they're just like, here we go. They're like this. They look like the trumpet vine, but these are the fountain bush because they have different leaves. The leaves are very stickish. You know what I mean? They're like this. And then even the leaves are like, I don't even think they have leaves. I think they're just all, they're just like long sticks of, yeah, long sticks. Like here's one of the bud. And they're just these long sticks, stems. Right there, it was dumb. They're so weird looking. Here's one that goes under there like that. And then they're just like these sticks. They're like, I should just, these are called, oop, sorry, I keep moving it out of your way there, fountain bush. Oh, and another thing when we were there, so we were looking at the, stopped and looked at the flamingos a bunch of times, and the flamingos kept losing all these pink and white feathers. We wanted one so bad, but we know probably get in trouble. Be in big trouble if you touch those feathers. So. Here we go. This was very, yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. A little bit more redder. A little redder. Oh yeah. Oh, I like that. Colors. Spectacular. I'll make the one behind it lighter. Yeah, I can't wait to go back and do more because these are just a few, very few. Oh, and then when I go to, so did I mention this? I know I mentioned it in my Saturday morning coffee. My membership includes other botanical gardens. So I want to visit all those. There's only about 4 or 5 more in Florida that I can visit. I don't plan on taking any long drives. But I do want to go to the Marie Selby Gardens in Sarasota. I'll be able to go there for free with my membership in June. Oh, I can't wait, because Marie Selby is number 3 in the country per a USA Today Reader's Choice Awards. They are number 3 in the country. So let me see if I can make this a little lighter back here. So it doesn't look light at all. Get some water. Yeah, so can you imagine number 3 botanical garden in the United States? I can't wait to go there. You know, and you can volunteer at all these places. So all these sticky things are like a bright green too. Of course, at the Sunken Gardens, their volunteer list is already full. I'm sure the same thing with Marie Selby. I do not have a green thumb, so I would not be a very good volunteer. I could volunteer to do other things too, but I just like to do my nature journaling. Hey, maybe when I'm nature journaling there, they'll say something and ask me to do something about nature journaling. I would love to. I've got lots of information. And if you would like information about nature journaling, go to, I'm telling you, johnmuirlaws.org or .com. John Muir Laws, M-I-U-R Laws, L-A-W-S. Go to his blog archives. He has like 1,000 videos, free video classes on how to draw anything in nature, anything. You name it, I think he's got it on there. I'm telling you. Birds, animals, landscapes, water, fish, clouds, weather, rocks. Oh my God. I need to go back and do more of his classes because he is phenomenal. And they're part of the Wild Wonder Nature something or other conference. So yeah, please. And they give you some. Alex Boone has so many. If you go to his Patreon, he's got some playlists on starting a nature journal as well. Also, Perpetual Nature Journal, Laura Gastinger. Go to her website. She is phenomenal with the Perpetual Nature Journal. So this is. Oh, this is the wrong one. This is hard to write too. Down here, acetiformis. You know what else this reminds me of? The goldfish plant. Remember those? Oh, it's also called the firecracker plant. Firecracker plant. When I used to waitress at this one restaurant, one of the cooks had a nickname for me. It was Firecracker. Firecracker. Oh, that's funny. I used to be a wild child. Weeping subshrub. This weeping subshrub is native to Mexico and Guatemala. All right, let's do this. Favored by So yeah, I didn't plan this very well, the way I have all this going. But you know what? It's just a nature journal. Nature journals are very casual. Very casual. So yeah, I think I want to make, let me just take a long look at this. Just a little darker here. Yeah, I like that. All right, I like that. So this was my nature journal page for the Sunken Gardens. Can you see all that? I'll do a video, a close up of all of this. But yeah, it was such a wonderful botanical experience. I'm telling you, go. And then there is a history. There's a history. The history of the Sunken Gardens and things like that. There's a whole building, museum, and the history behind the Sunken Gardens and the family that started it, the man that started it. It's so interesting. I want this to do, so when I tape this, I just want it like this, because you want to be able to see both sides. There we go. So that looks like that. So then you can see this, or you can see this. Go if you can. If you can't, I'm sure there's videos of it. And of course, if you can't, I will be doing a lot of nature journaling at the Sunken Gardens, Maurice Selby Gardens, and a few other gardens that I'm a membership of. So thank you so much for coming to my art chit chat. I love chatting with you. Please like and subscribe and talk to me in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. So funny looking.